Welcome to Economic Explorer101 channel. In today's episode, we will delve into the exciting world of real estate investments. Are you ready to discover the risks and benefits that come with it? Then join us on this fascinating exploration. What are real estate investments? Before we dive into the risks and benefits of real estate investments, it's important to understand what they are. Real estate investments involve acquiring properties such as houses, apartments, or land with the aim of making profits through their appreciation or rental income. Now let's explore the risks associated with this type of investment. Risks of real estate investment. One of the main risks of real estate investments is market fluctuations. The value of properties can rise or fall depending on economic factors and supply and demand. Another risk is the possibility of difficulties in finding tenants or selling the property. This can lead to financial losses if a steady income stream is not generated. Additionally, real estate investments entail additional costs such as maintenance, taxes, and insurance. These expenses need to be considered when calculating the investment's profitability. Benefits of real estate investment. Despite the risks, real estate investments also offer significant benefits. One of the main advantages is the potential for passive income through property rentals. Moreover, the value of properties tends to appreciate over the long term, which can lead to substantial capital gains upon selling the property in the future. Real estate investments also provide diversification within an investment portfolio. By adding properties to a mixed portfolio, overall risk can be reduced and potential returns can be increased. Strategies to minimize risks. Now that we are familiar with the risks and benefits of real estate investments, it's important to discuss strategies for minimizing the associated risks. Conduct thorough research of the real estate market and analyze trends before making any investment decisions. Diversify your portfolio by investing in different types of properties and geographical locations. Work with real estate professionals, such as specialized agents and attorneys, to obtain expert advice and avoid potential legal issues. Maintain a reserve fund to handle unexpected expenses and unforeseen circumstances. In summary, real estate investments come with both risks and benefits. When managed properly, these investments can generate passive income, capital appreciation, and diversification within an investment portfolio. However, it's important to consider the associated risks such as market fluctuations and additional expenses. Always remember to research, diversify, and seek professional guidance when venturing into the world of real estate investments. And that's a wrap for today. I hope you enjoyed this journey through the risks and benefits of real estate investment. See you in the next video of Economic Explorer101.